Osaka GCA, all Nippon 215 with you.
Illinois 215 Osaka GCA, tower left heading 010, descend and 3,500, check altitude.
Left 010, descend and maintain 3,500, leading A5.
Also leading A5, this will be a PAR approach to runway 32 Lima, guidance limit 292 feet, perform landing check for full stop.
215, roger.
Time left heading, all Nippon 215, time left heading 330.
Left 330, Nippon 215.
All Nippon 215, descend and maintain 2,100.
Descend 2,100, all Nippon 215.
All Nippon 215, time left heading 305.
Left 305, all Nippon 215.
Nippon 215, now 11 miles from touchdown, do not acknowledge further transmission, heading 305, very right of course, approaching course. 10.5 miles from touchdown, very right of course, and approaching course quickly, heading 305, slightly above glide path, adjust rate of descent. 10 miles from touchdown. Right of course, approaching course quickly. 9.5 miles from touchdown, we're above glide path, adjust rate of descent. 9 miles from touchdown, turn right heading 315. We're above glide path, adjust rate of descent. 8.5 miles from touchdown, turn right heading 320, approaching course. Now 8 miles from touchdown. Turn right heading 322 on course. On course heading 322, approaching glide path, reasonable rate of descent. 7 miles from touchdown. Very set to left of course, turn right heading 324. Heading 324, 6.5 miles from touchdown, on course on glide path. 6 miles from touchdown, heading 324, very slight to left of course, and approaching course. Going above glide path, going above, adjust rate of descent 5.5 miles from touchdown. Heading 324. Heading 324, 5 miles from touchdown. On course, turn right heading 322, very straight to the above glide path, adjust rate of descent, on course. Now the 6 right clear run, wind 1705. On course, very straight to the above glide path, adjust rate of descent. On course. On course, very straight to the above, 3.5 miles from touchdown, on course. 3 miles from touchdown, going right of course, turn right heading 321.
Minimums.
Heading 321 and slightly above glide path, adjust rate of descent. Now 3.5 miles from touchdown, on course, turn right heading 322. Back on glide path, reasonable rate of descent. 2 miles from touchdown, I second clear turn. On course, on glide path. 1.5 miles from touchdown, on course, on glide path. On course, On Great Pass. 1 mile from Texas, approaching guidance limit.
300.
On course. On glass. Now guidance limit. Take over the area after having contact tower. 118 just forward. Thank you for cooperation.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
On course on glass. Guys again after having contact tower. 1181. Acknowledge.
One point 215 landing. Thank you. Good control, sir.
Thank you very much.
Osaka Tower, Nippon 215, pick up Whiskey 6, request taxi.
1.215 Roger, taxi to runway. Crucial taxi to spot and cross runway, free to right.
Taxi to spot, cross 3 to right, on Nippon 215.
Japan Air 7615, window 170 knots runway, free to left, clear for takeoff. Roger, runway 32, left, clear for takeoff, Japan Air 7615. Japan Air 7615, contact Kansai, approach 122 decimal 45, good day. Roger, contact Kansai 1.